All right, end of day 3. This is our progress that we have made. We got a bunch of posts dug in all the way from way down there and all the way right here. This one to this one, this is our doorway for our ducks.
The doorway for the turkey pen will be right here.
Yep.
Because we're going to put another post right here. And we're going to open up this way. This is the duck one. This one's too high. So we got to
cut it down.
We're going to level all these out so it doesn't look like we're a bunch of hillbillies.
Yep, we don't want to look like we have an AT&T pond out here.
Yeah.
So now we got all of our fence posts in. And as you can see, I'll show you, they're kind of real sturdy. I mean, we packed them in good. There's not a lot of wiggle room, not a lot of wobble.
So we're going to frame them up with these, like this over here.
And we're going to use these as our side ones, kind of like how this looks.
There's one down here.
As you can see, if you can see through the chicken stuff, there's one right there where my finger is at. All the way, it goes from here, all the way over there. And that's what we plan on doing with the bottom parts here.
One here, down to here to here.
Yep.
One on top.
And then we have one on top going on each of them.
And this one will have one on top here.
But the reason for the bottom post is so we can secure some type of chicken wire or something down. We have our posts here, this whole little area. And this is toward the back of our property line.
Right.
Like right
here is our back of our property
Like
line.
right here where I'm standing. See my feet? Okay, that's our property line. Anyways, so...
And
we own
all that from that tree.
See this big tree?
Yeah.
We own from that.
Over to that big tree over there.
Over to that big tree. Way back there by the vehicles. Anyways, so it's our little homestead coming along. But yeah, we got all these trees chopped down, got it all cleared out. And there's our chicken platform, which we're going to use. Anyways, guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on our day 3 of our duck pond build. So, yeah, we had to move our duck liner. We had like 40-50 mile an hour wind gusting yesterday, and it was taking it all over the place. So we put her away for a while. Anyways, YouTube, thank you for staying with us during this project. Hopefully you continue to stay with us and see the outcome of our hard work and labors of love that we're doing. Thank you guys very much for sticking with us. Hello to all the old subscribers. Hello to any of the new subscribers. If you want, like, share, all that good YouTube jazz. Alright guys, take care. We'll have more. Bye-bye.